My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This vehicle has done just under 82,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we have features such as Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, traffic, my vehicle, and Bluetooth. Put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And we can choose from a variation of different driving terrains and modes. So we have snow, eco, normal, sport and individual, as well as off-road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all the seats have a black leather trim. You can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.